Here's how to remove yourself as an admin on a Facebook page. Now, here you can see I have my iPhone and my Android. I'll walk you through the exact steps on both phones, but also walk you through the steps if you're on a computer instead. So the first thing we need to do is manage as that page. You can see at the bottom right is the menu button. You can tap on that on your iPhone or Android, or if you see three lines at the top left, tap on those. Or if you're on a computer, tap on your profile button at the top right. After I've done that, I can manage as the page by tapping the drop down arrow at the top right, and then tapping on my page, in this case, Trevor's Treats. After you're managing as that page, we need to get to your settings next. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Again, it might be at the top left or top right for you. After you've done that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. Now that we're in the settings as your Facebook page, scroll down until you get to Audience and Visibility. And from here, tap on Page Setup, and then tap on Page Access, the third option down. You can see here I have my account and my admin, as well as my wife Haley. To remove myself, just tap on those three dots to the right and hit Remove from Page. Keep in mind, of course, if you don't see that as an option, you need to set someone else as an admin first, and they need to accept and approve that, and then you can remove yourself. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.